Whenever you are ready, Selene.
Okay. Hello, my name is Selene Vera and I am 10 years old. I am a youth at Tebow Method and I have organized today's meal giveaway. I decided to host this meal giveaway because I wanted to help the unhoused have access to a meal. For the past 4 months, I have been preparing to make my meal giveaway possible. In order to make my meal giveaway possible, I have had to work very hard and learn many new skills. For example, I have interviewed real-world professionals such as Evelyn Cumain. Founder of the Karat School Project, Heather Furata, Program Manager at the Bill Wilson Center, and Tanduay Lyons, founder of the Onyx Village Connection.
Yes.
I have also learned how to ask for my first donation ever from Ecumenical Hunger Program and Draker's Market, who donated the food supplies for today's meal giveaway. Lastly, I learned how to create a budget to track what food I need and the cost. I have also gotten the opportunity to be mentored by Tanduay Lyons, who has taught me a lot on how to prepare to give meals to the unhoused. Thank you so much, Tanduay, for being my mentor along the process of my social good project. Thank you, Heather Furata. Thank you, Evelyn Cumain. Thank you, Ecumenical Hunger Program. And thank you, Drager's Market. I would also like to thank you all so much for coming to my meal giveaway today. I could not have organized this event without all the help of my donors, mentors, volunteers, and partners. Lastly, thank you Tebow Method staff for helping me create a social good project based on my intrinsic motivation and for teaching me how to help others in my community of East Palo Alto. Thank you all so much for coming today. Now let's go give away some meals.
That we're going to do today. Prepare some.
Prepare some sandwiches.
Put it in the brown bag.
Put it in the brown bag. Then add the rest of the things.
The rest of the food items.
Yeah, the rest of the food items.
Perfect.
All right.